Today's project, got this tree right here on the corner that's going to be coming out to cut at this bank a little bit. We're going to be extending this culvert just to get a little bit better turning radius coming in and out of this driveway. It's a little tight right now. We got pretty solid embankment on that side, so the edge of the road is a hard edge. You don't really have much room to swing it wide, so gonna do what we can to widen this up. First thing to go is gonna be this hardwood.
my kids in the car.
Oh, the kids.
Yeah, they're messing around.
I thought somebody off the wing.
Oh yeah, well, I thought it was you at first.
So that was fun. Got it down without a problem. That was about the only successful part. The camera fell over right as the tree was about to come down, and my kids were in the car over there honking on the horn while I was doing all the cutting. So just, you know, slight distraction, a little bit of pressure. I thought it was the guy waiting down the road. Thought he was honking at me while I was cutting the tree, but yeah, we'll get this thing cut up and hauled out of here.